Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 10, self-practice 5J of chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 10, self-practice 5J of chapter 5. Chapter name is fraction and topic is word problems on fractions. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 7, which is a word problem. Question number 7 is a man reads 1 divided by 5 of a book on Monday, 1 divided by 3 on Tuesday and 1 divided by 4 on Wednesday. What fractions remains to read? If there are 240 pages in the book, then how many pages to read? Total fraction of the book is, suppose total fraction of the book is 1. So total fraction of the book read on these 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. On Monday, a man reads 1 divided by 5 of a book. Tuesday 1 divided by 3 of a book and 1 divided by 4 on Wednesday. So total fraction of book read on these 3 days is 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4. Now add these 3 on like fraction. First find out the LCM of 5, 3 and 4. LCM of 5, 3 and 4 is 60. 5 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. 5 multiplied with 3 is 15. 15 multiplied with 2 is 30. 30 multiplied with 2 is 60. Now divide this LCM 60 with denominator 5 of 1 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Multiply 12 with numerator 1. 1 multiplied with 12 is 12. Now divide the LCM 60 with the denominator 3 of 1 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3 is 12. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 20 multiplied with numerator 1 is 20 multiplied with 1 is 20. Now divide the LCM 60 with denominator of 1 divided by 4. 60 divided by 4 is 15. Now multiply 15 with numerator 1. 15 multiplied with 1 is 15. Now add this numerator 12 plus 20 plus 15 divided by denominator 60. 12 plus 20 plus 15 is 47 divided by 60. Now fractions of pages of book to read is, now fractions, remain fractions to read is 1 minus 47 divided by 60. 1 minus 47 divided by 60 equal to, multiply 60 with whole 1. 60 multiplied with 1 is 60. 60 minus 47 divided by 60. 60 minus 47 is 13 divided by 60. Now fractions of pages to read is 13 divided by 60. And it is given that number of pages in the book is 240. And we have to find out number of pages to read. Number of pages to read will be 13 divided by 60. We got fraction of pages of the book to read is 13 divided by 60. So number of pages to read is 13 divided by 60 of 240 pages. So 13 divided by 60 multiplied with 240 pages. Now cancel 60 with 240. We know 60 multiplied with 4 is 240. Now we get 13 multiplied with 4 is 52. 52 pages. So number of pages to read is 52. So we get fractions of pages to read is 13 divided by 60, and number of pages to read is 52. Now we solve question number 8, which is a word problem. And question number 8 is Sudhakar jogs around triangular field whose dimensions are shown. How much is one round less than 5 km? This is shown in this figure. This part is 1 divided by 4 km, and this part is 1 divided by 4 km, and this part is 1 divided by 20 km. Sudhakar jogs around the triangular field. Sudhakar starting from this one and three sides he covers, whose distance are given as 1 divided by 4 km, 2 1 divided by 4 km, and 1 divided by 20 kilometers. Three sides. Triangular field, three sides he Sudhakar jogs three sides of the triangular field. And we have to find out how much is one round less than 5 km. So total distance of jogging done by Sudhakar is 1 divided by 4 km plus 2 1 divided by 4 km plus 1 divided by 20 km. Now we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 1 divided by 4 to improper fraction we know improper fraction multiplying the denominator with whole, then add the product with the numerator, that is multiply 4 with 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4 is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction 1 divided by 4. Now convert this mixed fraction 1 divided by 4 into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator 4 with whole 2, then add the product with numerator 1. 4 multiplied with 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 divided by denominator 4. 9 divided by 4 is an improper fraction of the mixed fraction 1 divided by 4. Now convert this mixed fraction 1 divided by 20 into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator 20 with whole. 20 multiplied with 1 is 20, then add this product with the numerator 1. 20 multiplied with 1 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 20. Now we get 5 divided by 4, 9 divided by 4, and 21 divided by 20. These are the improper fraction of this mixed fraction. Now we add these improper fraction. First find out the converting this improper fraction into equivalent fraction, just equating the equal denominator, that is equal to the LCM, by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. Now we find out the LCM of denominator 4, 4 and 20. LCM of 4, 4 and 20 is 4 multiplied with 5, that is 20. 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 5, that is 20. Now divide this LCM 20 with the denominator of 5 by 4. 5 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then multiply 5 with 5. Numerator 5. 5 multiplied with 5 plus. Now divide this LCM 20 with the denominator 4 of 9 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then multiply 5 with numerator 9. 9 multiplied with 5. Now divide LCM 20 with the denominator 20 of 21 divided by 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. 1 multiplied with numerator 21. 21 multiplied with 1. Now we get 5 multiplied with 5 plus 9 multiplied with 5 plus 21 multiplied with 1 divided by LCM 20. 5 multiplied with 5 is 25. 9 multiplied with 5 is 45, and 21 multiplied with 1 is 21 divided by 20. 25 plus 45 plus 21 is 91. 91 divided by 20. Now this is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, just dividing the dividend 91 with the divisor 20. Dividing the 91 with 20, we get 4 as the quotient and 11 as the remainder. Where we can write 91 as 4 multiplied with 20 plus 11, where 4 is the quotient and 11 is the remainder. We know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. So quotient is 4, remainder is 11, divided by divisor is 20. So now we get 91 divided by 20. Converting this improper fraction 91 divided by 20, we get 411 divided by 20. 411 divided by 20 is a mixed fraction. Now we get 411 divided by 20 kilometer, which is the total distance of jogging done by Sudhakar in this triangular field. Now we have to find out one round less than 5 kilometer. Subtract 411 divided by 20 kilometer from 5 kilometer. So 5 minus 411 divided by 20 kilometer. Now subtract this whole separately, then subtract with this proper fraction. Now we get 5 minus 4 minus 11 divided by 20. 5 minus 4 is 1 minus 11 divided by 20. Now multiply this denominator 20 with whole 1. 20 multiplied with 1 is 20. 20 minus numerator 11. 20 minus 11 divided by 20. 20 minus 11 is 9. 9 divided by denominator 20. Now you get 9 divided by 20 kilometer. So one round less than 5 kilometer is 9 divided by 20 kilometer. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.